Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. All that really does help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is an absolute staple item that you should have in your household, and it is a 3-piece putty knife set by ALLWAY. So as you can see here, they are made out of just a nice solid plastic, very lightweight, very easy to utilize. They come in 3 different sizes. So the smallest one here is 3/8 inches wide, and then the length of it is about 6.5 inches. Then you are going to get the next one. It is 5/8 of an inches wide. This one's approximately 7 inches. And then you're going to get like what I personally find as my workhorse here is a 1-inch putty knife. And this one is about 7.25 inches. But overall, they are solvent proof. Very easy to use, very easy to clean up, whether you are using these for filler, using them for drywall compound, putty, caulking, glaze, adhesive, whatever. Super easy to utilize, super easy to clean up, and they're 100% USA made. So if you're in the market for a putty knife set, these are totally worth checking out. If there is something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.